Hey guys, I'm so excited to be here with a very special lady, Hilary. This is Hilary's first makeup tutorial.
It is. It's also my first capsule collection, creating a kit. So I'm a huge Nude Sticks fan and was so excited to create Daydreamer with you guys.
I love it, and I've been such a fan for so long, so this is this is a daydream for me. So this is crazy, and I'm so excited about this palette, and I know that you put so much heart into it.
I'm such a big fan. You guys know what you've done for my time frame of getting ready is dreams. You know, I have a very busy life and not a lot of time to get ready anymore. I feel like I've had to really change my routine, but I also have so many tips and tricks from makeup artists and working with great people and now you guys. So to create a line like this is such a dream, and really the inspirations came from things that I love to use. So you know, the two eye colors are a little more wild, and I think will help transition people into night, and everything else is very usable and I think great for many different skin tones and different kind of girls.
It is, and I feel like that's such a dream for most women, is to get ready in 5 minutes and get out the door. So I think this kit is perfect for all women out there.
Me too.
And super easy to transition from day to night. We're gonna show you guys how to create a really quick and easy day look. Should we just get started?
Yeah, we kind of talked when the cameras were off about what our plan of attack was.
Yes.
Taylor does this all the time on camera, so I'm a little nervous. I do my makeup every day and I'm like, oh, nailed that, but now that you're looking at me, wish me luck.
No pressure at all. We're gonna kill this. Hilary's gonna kill this.
Let's dive in.
Let's do it.
Okay. It's funny that you start with cheek because I start with eye.
Okay.
I do skin.
It's a little weird, but it's fine.
Oh my God.
No, honestly, whether you start with eyes, lips, cheeks, everyone has their own way.
Okay.
So you're using...
I'm using bright eyes.
Bright eyes, okay. I'm going in with body language.
Okay.
And I'm just placing this on my cheeks.
One thing I feel like you should know about the Nude Sticks eye pencil is they look all dewy and smooth, and they continue to look that way, but they freaking dry. So you gotta get it in the place that you want it kind of quick, you know?
Yeah.
But I love that because then it's not moving all day, but it's also not getting cakey or weird. It's staying really nice and where I want it.
Exactly, especially if you have long days and you don't want to touch up your makeup.
Yeah.
It's perfect. I absolutely love this blush color.
It's so pretty on you.
Yeah, it's the perfect combination of pinky and peachy. I love warm tones on my skin, so this is perfect.
I love warm tones too. That's why I was surprised when we were getting into creating the collection how cool everything was. You know, how much I wanted that.
Yeah.
But that is a nice
it's a combination of
It's a really nice combination. We still get that warm look, but the cooler highlights and stuff is a good transition from summer.
Exactly. And I love taking a little bit of my body language and just applying it on the eyes, and this is gonna be used as kind of my eye base before my eye pencils.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I usually use my fingers. I feel like when I always have 5 minutes to get ready in the morning. It doesn't matter if I set my alarm 1 hour earlier than I have to get out the door. I always have 5 minutes, so I love just draw and smudge, no brushes.
I'm kind of going all over my lid and smudging a little above my crease, but then keeping a thicker line that I don't smudge right on my lash, so I have a little that nice shine.
That looks stunning. That is so nice. I'm I want to do that now.
And I'm gonna go fully underneath my lash line on the bottom.
Actually, I'm gonna go in with I'm going with Prism. So Prism is such a beautiful. It's holographic.
So light reflecting too.
Yeah, and I love how it almost adds a wet finish.
Totally.
So pretty.
I'm going fully in my waterline with bright eyes right now. Do you ever do that?
I do, yeah.
Gonna have to add some mascara under there.
I'll bring this out just a little bit. And I love how easy they are to blend as well.
I'm gonna pop a little bit of lip on the lid. also going to reach my shimmer. Use this on my cheek.
That's so pretty.
How am I doing?
You're doing great. I'm like looking at you like, oh my god. She's so good.
No.
You are. You're a natural. I'm like, okay. What do I want to do next? I feel like I want to go in with a little bit of half moon. A little bit of glow.
I like that you did Cosmo with the eye.
Good job.
It's so pretty. It's like blue.
Right?
Yeah.
Has like
so nice.
larger blue pigment, so it really pops.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm obsessed.
By the way, you look like that 70s queen I was talking about outside.
When you were saying that, I was like, oh my god, that is so me. I love the 70s. I love that bohemian vibe.
Ease, that like ease.
Yeah.
But like kind of glam. I think I'm gonna go in with a little half moon too in my inner eye here.
And if you look at the blue, just pops out.
through. Yeah.
And it really goes with the eye as well. It's kind of like a nice holographic, ethereal.
Do you think you can highlight a little on your nose with it? I think you can.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm like, you can highlight everywhere, all over your face.
Okay, I'm gonna go a little high cheekbones. Wow, look at your cheek! It's so good!
I think it's popping even more so because I'm just a tiny bit tanned right now.
Yeah, you are.
Which doesn't usually happen. Like, I'm usually your skin tone. I was just away since comments.
Poor you.
Oh me. Oh me.
I'm gonna take a little bit of body language and use it as a little bit of a highlighter to warm myself up. I joke that I have a 5 head instead of a 4 head.
A 5?
Yeah, so I always like to give a little, let me need a little
contour
bit.
around. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I always bronze my forehead as well. And I feel like I feel like when I don't contour bronze my forehead, it looks off.
I agree.
Because
I just
usually,
like a little here and a little here to like, I don't
just
know.
make it all come together.
Totally.
Like, especially when you're in the sun, like usually you get color like all over your face, not just on your cheeks or not just on,
Yeah.
your cheekbones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to have that, like a little bit of a glow all the way around.
Yes, I love that. I'm actually gonna do that right now. On my forehead.
I went deep into my bag and I need to go over my bottom lashes with a little mascara. Just to get rid of the pencil that I got on there. And I like a chunky kind of vibe.
Yes,
Even
I
during the
love
day
like those
sometimes.
separated lashes. That's very 70s of you.
is.
I love how we both use the same kit and both of our looks
Are so different.
Yeah. What else? I want to put a little bit of half moon. Go back with half moon in my eyes. Just kind of tap it off.
Think I have enough cheek on, or you think I need a little pop of cheek?
I think maybe a little bit of a pop. I'm a blush person. I love blush. I love looking like I'm wearing blush. So I'm a fan. I like that.
I feel like sometimes if I tap it in, it stays a little stronger. If it goes where I want it instead of like rubbing it. Sometimes I feel like I make my cheeks red and then I'm like, oh,
What was the point?
what's the blush and what's the redness at like the...
Yeah. No, I love using my fingers with my blush, and I find that it really melts the product into the skin, so it just gives it more of a natural finish.
Totally.
That looks so good.
Here's my daytime look.
Okay. I think I'm going to, oh no, I have to do my lip. Use a little bit of Secret Keeper.
Don't forget that lip. I wonder if a little half moon on the lip would be cool.
That would be cool, like right in the center. Or all over. All over too.
I kind of went,
Ooh, that looks really good. I actually really like that. Should I do it?
yeah,
Okay. I'm gonna do that.
it kind of made me a little 80s, like that frost.
Ooh. Ooh.
Your makeup looks so pretty.
Okay, so this is our day look, but I'm kind of thinking I want to add a little bit more of Night Dweller.
Do it.
It's such a pretty color. Just a little bit in the center. It's like a beautiful luminous green. So kind of like along my lash line, just to give the illusion of a fuller lash line, to make my eyes pop, and just smudging it out ever so slightly.
It almost turns into like a really nice gray.
Right? And I feel like this is a beautiful color, even if you have hazel or even blue eyes. It just will make your eyes pop.
Pretty.
Yeah, I'm very into this. It's so funny, like I'm a creature of habit.
Yeah.
I wear the same shades all the time.
Yeah.
But I'm obsessed with these shades together.
You know, I tend to get like, oh, the darker shades my nighttime, but but they really are, since you can smudge them and then move them around so much,
Yeah.
they become, really you can use them at any time.
Exactly.
That's pretty. It does add just like a little definition in a nice
Right?
way. Yeah.
I'm into this.
Pretty.
Okay, thank you. These are our final day looks. I love how, again, like we use the same palette. Totally different look. I feel like you went for more of like this beautiful kind of cool tone smoky eye with your nude lip. I went a little bit more ethereal, like mermaid vibes going on. Yeah, I'm obsessed.
Your makeup looks so pretty.
Thank you.
I love it.
I feel like you said, like that 70s glam.
Yeah. Glam glow.
Glam
Just
glow.
go glam
Let's
glow.
go glam glow.
I think we got it.
I think we did a really good job. You did an insane job.
Thank you.
Congrats on your first makeup tutorial. You did great. It's all done.
Under my belt. Under my robe belt, I did it.
Thank you.